I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by locking tempo and scale because they define mood. Set BPM around 86 to 92 to capture Asgore's measured march. Next, choose C minor or a minor so the melody stays somber yet heroic. Load Chrome Music Lab's Melody Maker and Drum Machine and switch the grid to 4/4 so phrasing lands naturally. Once done, sketch a simple 4-bar motif on beats 1 and 3 to anchor the theme, making sure each note choice supports the chordal center. Now you expand the motif into harmony. Begin by repeating the 4-bar phrase and introduce an octave leap on bar 2 to emphasize authority. Add triads under the melody, minor I and Roman 4, then return to I, and sprinkle a suspended fourth before resolution to create noble tension. Once done, duplicate the motif and layer a darker synth or cello sound 1 octave below at low volume to thicken the texture. Make sure to nudge note lengths, finish by locking arrangement and adding rhythm. Program a slow kick on beats 1 and 3 with a soft snare on 2 and 4 to maintain weight. Then automate a filter or volume ramp across the last 8 bars so the theme swells into the ending. This creates the heroic close you want. If balance is off, make sure to mix levels and pan slightly for clarity. If timing drifts, quantize to 1/8 or tweak swing. That single fix usually solves human timing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.